Think about the toughest thing you've ever survived. A brutal winter? A scorching summer? Now imagine a creature that survived outer space without a spacesuit, or an animal that can literally reverse its own aging and become young again. Today, we're counting down 10 wildlife facts so insane they sound fake, but I promise you, they're all real. Grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's dive into the wild side of planet Earth. If you love animals, nature, and mind-blowing science, you're in the right place. Today's video is pure wildlife madness. No boring lectures, just 10 facts that will make you the most interesting person at any party. Smash that like button right now, and let's start the countdown with number 10.
Number 10. The immortal jellyfish. Its scientific name is Turritopsis dohrnii, and it has a superpower humans can only dream of. When this jellyfish gets old, injured, or stressed, it doesn't die. Instead, it sinks to the ocean floor and transforms back into a baby polyp. Its adult cells literally morph back into juvenile cells. Then it grows up all over again. Brand new body, fresh start. Scientists call this biological immortality. Unless a predator eats it, this jellyfish can theoretically live forever. It's the closest thing to the fountain of youth we've ever found. Number 9. The octopus is basically an alien. First off, they have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, 1 pumps blood to the body. And here's the crazy part. When an octopus swims, that main heart stops beating. That's why they prefer crawling on the ocean floor. Swimming literally exhausts them. Oh, and their blood is blue, not red, blue. But the wildest part? Octopuses can edit their own RNA. They can adapt their genetic code on the fly to survive new environments. 3 hearts, blue blood, and self-editing DNA. Definitely aliens. Number 8. The humble ant is a heavyweight champion. A single ant can carry 50 times its own body weight. That's like an average American man lifting a full-size pickup truck. Next time you see an ant carrying a giant breadcrumb, remember that's like you carrying a monster truck uphill. They're also master architects, building underground cities with highways and fungus farms. Ants prove that you don't need to be big to be powerful. Number 7. Meet the pistol shrimp, the loudest animal on Earth. This tiny shrimp has one oversized claw that works like a gun. When it snaps that claw shut, it shoots a jet of water at over 60 miles per hour. This creates a bubble that collapses with a flash of light. The temperature inside that bubble? Over 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's almost as hot as the surface of the sun. The shockwave stuns or kills nearby fish instantly. One snap and dinner is served. The Navy actually has problems with these shrimp because their snapping messes up submarine sonar. Number 6. Tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur. If you shaved a tiger completely bald, you'd still see those beautiful stripes. The skin underneath is pigmented to match the fur growing from it. Every tiger's stripe pattern is completely unique, just like human fingerprints. Researchers use these patterns to identify and track individual tigers in the wild. Each tiger is literally wearing a one-of-a-kind, custom-designed coat. Number 5. Flamingos are full of surprises. First, a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Perfect name, right? Second, flamingos can only eat with their heads completely upside down. Their beaks are built like filters that only work when inverted. And third, baby flamingos are born pale gray or white. They turn pink because of the beta-carotene in the brine shrimp and algae they eat. A bright pink flamingo is a well-fed flamingo. Number 4. The sloth is the slowest mammal on Earth. Their top speed on the ground is about 6 feet per minute. They move so slowly that algae literally grows on their fur, giving them green camouflage.
This algae garden helps them blend in perfectly with the mossy trees they live in. Their digestion is also ridiculously slow. One meal can take a month to process. They only come down from the tree once a week to go to the bathroom. That weekly trip is the most dangerous moment in a sloth's life. Number 3. Elephants cannot jump. They're the only mammal on Earth that can't get all 4 feet off the ground. But what they lack in hops, they make up for in brains and heart. Elephants mourn their dead. They've been observed touching bones and burying fallen companions. They can also recognize themselves in a mirror, a sign of true self-awareness. Only a handful of species on Earth can do that. Elephants are deeply intelligent beings. Number 2. The mantis shrimp has the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom. Humans have 3 color receptors in our eyes. We see about 1 million colors. The mantis shrimp has 16 color receptors. They see ultraviolet light, infrared light, and polarized light. Their world is a psychedelic light show we can't even imagine. Each eye also moves independently, scanning in 2 directions at once. When it comes to vision, these shrimp are the undisputed champions.
And now, number 1. The most indestructible creature on planet Earth. Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This microscopic animal can survive almost anything. It's been frozen to -300 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been heated to over 300 degrees. It's survived radiation doses 1,000 times higher than what would kill a human. It's even survived the vacuum of outer space for 10 full days. When conditions get tough, the tardigrade enters a state called cryptobiosis. It dries itself out into a tiny ball called a ton and hits pause on life. When water returns, it rehydrates and starts waddling around again like nothing happened. If the world ends, the tardigrade will almost certainly outlive us all. So there you have it, 10 insane wildlife facts that prove our planet is way weirder than we think. From jellyfish that cheat death to shrimp that create miniature suns. Which fact blew your mind the most? Drop a comment and let me know. Was it the immortal jellyfish, the pistol shrimp, or the invincible tardigrade? If you want a part 2 with even crazier animal facts, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Stay curious, stay wild, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, wildlife warriors.